Hi children. So we will go to next session of indefinite integral. Next session of indefinite integral. Integration using completing the square. So evaluation of integral of type 1 by root of ax squared plus bx plus c. So what you have to do, ax squared plus bx plus c, you can write it as a into x squared plus b by ax plus c. So by a. First process is making the coefficient of x squared as 1 is equal to a into x squared plus b by ax. Take the half of the coefficient of x, then square b squared minus 4a squared, b squared by 4a squared minus b squared by 4a squared plus c by a. So that we can write it as x plus b by 2a the whole square plus 4ac minus b squared by 4a squared, or like this. And we can apply different integral forms. This 1 by x squared plus a squared, its integral is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by x squared minus a squared, 1 by 2a log modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by a squared minus x squared, 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. 1 by root a squared minus x squared dx is sine inverse x by a plus c. 1 by root of a squared plus x squared dx is log modulus x plus root a squared plus x squared plus c. 1 by root x squared minus a squared dx is log modulus x plus root x squared minus a squared plus c. Integral dx by x squared minus 6x plus 13. So x squared minus 6x plus 13, you can write it as what? X squared minus 6x, coefficient of x is 6. Its half is 3. Its square is 3 squared. 3 squared minus 3 squared plus 13. So that we can write it as x minus 3 the whole squared plus 4. So integral dx by x minus 3 the whole squared plus 4. Substitute x minus 3 is equal to t. So you are getting dx is equal to what? Dt. If dx is equal to dt, then this is what of integral dt by t squared plus 2 squared. So you know 1 by x squared plus a squared. What is integral? Tan inverse x, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is 1 by 2 into tan inverse t by 2 plus c. So t is what? X minus 3. So half tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Now, next question. 1 by root of 9 plus 8x minus x squared. So here you can write it as minus of x squared minus 8x plus 9. Then coefficient of x is 8. Its half is 4. Its square is 16. Plus 16 minus 16. So this we can write it as x minus 4 the whole squared minus 5 squared. So that is dx by root of 25 minus x minus 4 the whole squared. This integral is what? 1 integral dx by root a squared minus x squared. What is root a squared minus x squared? Sine inverse x by a plus c. This is the answer. Now, integration of rational function. If numerator is a linear function and denominator is a quadratic function, numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus mu. So here lambda into derivative of denominator plus mu. So lambda into what is derivative of denominator? Ax squared plus bx plus c is what? Lambda into 2ax plus b plus mu. Obtain the values of lambda and mu by equating coefficient of x and constant term. So we are getting what? Lambda and mu value. Then you can write lambda into integral 2ax plus b by ax squared plus bx plus c plus mu into 1 by ax squared plus bx plus c. Here ax squared plus bx plus c, its derivative is what? 2ax plus b. So this is sort of on du by u. What is du by u? Log u. Here you have to use the method completing the square. We will solve some problem. Integral 2x plus 1 by x squared plus 21x plus 3. So you see, you take what? 2x plus 1 is equal to what? A into lambda into 2x plus 21 plus mu. Equating coefficient of x means 2 lambda is equal to 2. So lambda is equal to 1. Next, equating constant term means 21 lambda plus mu. So 1 is equal to 21 plus mu. Mu is equal to 1 minus 21. What is answer? Minus 20. Now, this is split, or you can directly, you can find out 2x plus 21 is the derivative of denominator. So 2x plus 21 minus 20. That way also you can arrange 2x plus 21 by x squared plus 21x plus 3 dx minus 20 into integral dx by x squared plus 21x plus 3. So here here numerator is the derivative of denominator. So you can write this as du by u log x squared plus 21x plus 3 minus 20 into. Here again you have to make the method of completing the square. So x plus 21 by 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 21 by 2 the whole square. So that will be of the form x squared minus a squared. That is x squared minus a squared, x plus a 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So this is the answer. Now evaluation of integrals of the form linear by root of quadratic. So right, same as previous, only numerator is equal to lambda into derivative of denominator plus mu. So you are getting lambda and mu value by equating coefficient of x and constant term. So lambda is equal to what? 2ax. Lambda you will get, mu you will get. So lambda into integral 2ax plus b by root ax squared plus bx plus c dx plus mu into dx by root ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is the other one du by root u. What is du by root u? 1 to root u. Here again you have to apply the method of completing the square. Now 2x plus 1 divided by root x squared plus 21x plus 3. Same as previous problem, denominator is only square root is here. So you arrange a numerator like this, or you can apply the formula 2x plus 21 minus 20 by root x squared plus 21x plus 3. Now here du by root u form. What is du by root u? 2 root u. So 2 into root of x squared plus 21x plus 3 minus 20 into. Here again you have to arrange. Now it will be on the form 1 by root of x squared minus a squared. 1 by root of x squared minus a squared is what? Log modulus x plus root of x squared minus a squared. And this is the answer. Integration of rational function by partial fraction. So if the denominator px plus q by x minus a into x minus b is equal to, you can write a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. And if the denominator is px plus q by x minus a the whole squared form, you can write it as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole squared. Next one, px squared plus qx plus r by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. That you can write it as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. If it is this form, x minus a the whole squared into x minus b, you can write it as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a the whole squared plus c by x minus b. If the denominator any term is not factorizable, it is ax squared plus bx plus c, then what you have to do? Take it as bx plus c by x squared plus bx plus c. Always remember, in the partial fraction, it will be numerator by denominator. Degree of denominator is always greater than degree of numerator. In the partial fraction, always remember, degree of denominator is always greater than degree of numerator. You see, this is a question. Integral dx by x squared minus 3x plus 2. That you can write it as 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So it is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. So you can write 1 is equal to what? Taking LCM, a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Collecting the terms of x and constant term, you are writing a plus b into x minus 2a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 0, 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. So you are getting a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1. So it is integral of the form integral minus dx by x minus 1 plus integral dx by x minus 2. So what is it? Minus log modulus x minus 1 plus log modulus x minus 2 plus c. Next question. 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 the whole squared into x plus 3. Then it will be a by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 the whole squared plus c by x plus 3. So write 3x plus 1 is equal to taking LCM a into x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 plus c into x minus 1 the whole squared. X is equal to 1, you are getting what value of x is equal to 1 means this time will be 0, this time will be 0. You are getting the value of b is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to minus 3, what this time will be 0, this time will be 0. You are getting c value. Now equating coefficient of constant term. Here 1, here minus 3, here 3, here plus 1. So you are getting a is equal to 1 by 2. So half into integral dx by x minus 1 plus dx by x minus 1 the whole squared minus half into 1 by x plus 3. So this is what half into 1 by x minus 1, half log modulus x minus 1 and 1 by x squared. What is 1 by x squared integral? 1 by x squared is x, 1 by u squared, x raised to minus 2. X raised to minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So what is it? X raised to minus 1 by minus 1. What is minus 1 by x? So final answer is half log modulus x minus 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. Now integration by parts. If f of x and g of x are two functions of x, then integral f of x into gx dx is equal to fx into integral gx dx minus integral of f dash x into gx dx. That is integral of product of two function is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. We can choose the first function and second function as per the rule I late. I stands for inverse trigonometric function. L stands for logarithmic function. A stands for algebraic function. T stands for trigonometric function. E stands for exponential function. See here integral x cos x dx. X cos x dx means here x is an algebraic function, cos x is a trigonometric function. So first function what you have to take? You see I late. So algebraic function. So x is first function. So x into integral of cos x dx minus integral of derivative of x into integral of cos x dx. So x into cos x integral sin x minus integral of d by dx of x is 1 into integral cos x sin x. So sin x integral is what? Minus cos x. So minus minus plus. So final answer is x sin x plus cos x plus c. Evaluate integral x sin 3x dx. Same. Here algebraic, here trigonometric. So what you can say? First function is x. So x into sin 3x integral is minus cos 3x by 3 minus integral of x derivative is what? 1. 1 into minus cos 3x by 3 dx. So minus x cos 3x by 3 plus 1 by 3 into integral cos 3x dx is equal to minus x cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x by 9 plus c. This is the answer. Now evaluate integral log x. So log x you can write it as what? Log x into 1. Log x into 1. So log x into 1 means first function log x, second function x, because log x is not integrable. Log x is having no integral directly. So log x into 1. So log x into 1 integral is x minus integral of derivative of log x into 1 integral of 1. So integral 1 dx. So x log x minus x plus c. Now integral sort of form e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x. So e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x, you can write it as integral e raised to x f of x dx plus f dash x into e raised to x dx. You can integrate this part or this part. If you integrate this portion, you take f of x as first function. This is second function. If you integrate this portion, then e raised to x as first function and this is the second function. Okay, always remember this. So I am integrating this portion. So f of x into integral of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integral of e raised to x into fx derivative is f dash x dx plus integral f dash x into e raised to x dx. So these two will cancel. So what you are getting? F of x e raised to x plus c. Next, integral e raised to x into sin x plus cos x. So always remember this formula, e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x is equal to integral e raised to x f of x dx plus integral e raised to x into f dash x dx. Its answer is always what? E raised to x into f of x plus c. So here sin x is the function and cos x is the derivative. So we can write it as what? Answer should be e raised to x into sin x. So sin x plus cos x. Integral e raised to x into sin x dx plus e raised to x into cos x dx. So sin x into e raised to x integral is e raised to x minus integral of d by dx of sin x is cos x into e raised to x. So minus e raised to x cos x, and second integral no need to integrate. Keep it like that only. So e raised to x cos x. So that will cancel. So answer is what? Sin x e raised to x plus c. Now evaluate e raised to x into x plus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. So you arrange it like this. X plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. Split it into 2. So x plus 2 by x plus 2 the whole square minus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. So now you are getting 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. Remember, d by dx of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x squared. So 1 by x plus 2 derivative is what? Minus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. So here f of x, this is f dash x. So what is answer? E raised to x into raised to x by x plus 2 plus c. Now, integral sort of form 1 root x squared minus a squared root x squared plus a squared root a squared minus x squared. Its formula is this is root a squared minus x squared is x by 2 into root a squared minus x squared plus a squared by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. Integral root a squared plus x squared dx is x by 2 into root a squared plus x squared plus a squared by 2 into log modulus x plus root a squared plus x squared plus c. Integral root x squared minus a squared dx is equal to x by 2 into root x squared minus a squared minus 1 by 2 a squared into log modulus x plus root x squared minus a squared plus c. You see the second portion, this is and these three. Actually, this is the integral portion of 1 by root a squared minus x squared. Here 1 by root a squared plus x squared, and here it is 1 by root x squared minus a squared. Integral root x squared plus 2x plus 5. So you have to do the method of completing the square. So it is root of x plus 1 the whole squared plus 4. Because 2x coefficient is 2. Its half is 1. Square 1. So x plus 1 the whole squared. Like this. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4. So what is it? X plus 1 the whole. Sorry. Plus 5. So x plus 1 the whole squared plus 4. So this is, or you substitute x plus 1 is equal to y, root of y squared plus 2 squared. Integral y squared plus 2 squared is what? Half into, or y by 2 into root of y squared plus 4 plus 4 by 2 into log of y plus root of y squared plus 4. So y is x plus 1. So x plus 1 by 2 into root of x squared plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 log modulus x plus 1 plus root of x squared plus 2x plus 5. Direct formula application. Now, this is not in the textbook. Actually, sometimes some question may ask from this portion. Integral sort of form 1 by a plus b cos x, 1 by a plus b sin x, 1 by a plus b cos x plus c sin x. In this problem, you substitute t is equal to tan x by 2. So, t is equal to tan x by 2 means dt is equal to what? Sec squared x by 2 into half dx. So, dx from this, dx is equal to what? 2 dt by 1 plus t squared. And sin x, you know, sin x, what is the formula? Sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan squared x by 2. And cos x is equal to what? 1 minus tan squared x by 2 by 1 plus tan squared x by 2. So you substitute t is equal to tan x by 2, you are getting 2t by 1 plus t squared. Cos x is equal to what? 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. Evaluate integral for dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. So substitute t is equal to tan x by 2. So what will happen? Instead of dx, you can write 2 dt by 1 plus t squared. 4 plus 5 into cos x is what? 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. Simplifying, you are getting integral dt by 9 minus t squared. This is sort of form. What is it? Integral dx by x squared minus a squared minus x squared. What is 1 by a squared minus x squared? 1 by a squared minus x squared is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. So 3 plus t by 3 minus t. What is t? Tan x by 2. So 1 by 3 log 3 plus tan x by 2 by 3 minus tan x by 2 plus c. Here, same type one problem. T is equal to tan x by 2. T is equal to tan x by 2 means dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t squared. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t squared. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. So what you are getting? 2t by 1 plus t squared. 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. Simplifying, you are getting here plus t squared minus t squared will cancel. So integral 2 by 2 plus 2t. 2 will cancel. dt by 1 plus t. What is dt by 1 plus t? Log 1 plus t plus c is equal to log 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. And this is the types of problem. These are the types of problems we have to study in integration. And that is the end of indefinite integral. Now we will go for, in the next session we will go for definite integral.